Hello guys, welcome to Legit Boss once again. In this video tutorial, we are going to be talking about the new update on Bittoken. For those of you who are into Bittoken, you have been mining Bittoken and you don't know the latest updates. Now we are going to be talking about them in this video tutorial, especially the KYC updates and the P2p update. So all you need to do is to pay attention to this video and also the balance update. If you discover or if you can realize, you see that your balance is not longer the same aside the one you accumulated recently. Please, all these things I'm going to be explaining the reason why all that happened in this video. Okay, for those of you who are into Bittoken, or for those of you who still have interest in joining Bittoken, I don't think it's still late. I think you can still join and then wait for the second snapshot. Okay, but before we proceed, guys, if this is the first time you're hearing my voice or first time you're coming across my channel, my name is Sparky, aka Legit Boss, and what I do on this channel is all about business. I share business updates every blessed day on this channel on money making with your smartphone. So if an online hustler, you have interest in making money online, all you need to do for you not to miss out any of my latest update is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen and then turn on notification bell so that you'll be notified every day on money making update with your smartphone. Then at the end of this video, for those of you who might pick interest in joining this platform, if you want to join this platform and start making money with us, then I'm going to be leaving our WhatsApp group link in the comment section. The link of this platform has been made available in our WhatsApp group. That is where you can actually get it and then you can register and then you will start mining and start making money. Okay, before I proceed to tell you guys the latest updates and what you need to do now, if you have not done that after watching this video, if you are mining on this platform already, you need to do it after watching this video. If you have not done it, it is very necessary, otherwise you will end up losing your token. It is very important, guys. Please take note. What is this platform all about? This platform known as Bittoken is a web3 project. It is a coin, it is an airdrop. So we mine and they are here to list. So it is when they now list, you are going to make money. So when it comes to airdrop, some can be disappointing and some can be rewarding. Like in my previous video, when I talked about airdrop, I said it that any airdrop that we do well, sometimes they don't suffer the community. You understand? And airdrop that is going to do well depend on the number of community they have. If they have a large community, of course there is going to be there's going to be a depreciation because they are not going to have value. But if they have lesser community, of course the project is going to have value. That's the coin is going to have value, which means they're going to list at higher price. And this particular project now known as Bittoken, they don't have much community like that. So I am thinking they might do well. They even gave us the word that they might be listing at 0.5. That's half a dollar. And if they eventually list at that half a dollar, which means that anyone participating in this project should make nothing less than at least $200 to $1,000. That is what you can actually make on this platform. So how do you make this money on this platform? It is easy. You make this money by doing this thing, claiming. Every day you mine. When you claim, it will automatically mine for you. So you have see that I've just claimed now. Then the point will start accumulating. Do you understand? The point will start accumulating. You can see in the next 1 hour I'll mine. Now to increase this mining hour, you click on booster to view advertisement. The platform is also monetized. So when you view advertisement, your mining hour will increase to either you can choose to extend it to either 24 hours or 20 hours instead of you coming to mine every 1 hour. So I have made video on that explaining all that. Then another way you can actually earn money is by building team on this platform. You can actually build your team. Now their first snapshot has been taken. For those of you who know, you all know that this is not my rebalance. My rebalance was 70 million token, 70 something million token, and now they have converted it to BTTC. Okay, so you do tax to earn money. So make sure to come to this place here in. I am thinking they might have another second snapshot. You can see this place here in by watching videos. So you click on this place here, you watch video to earn, watch video to earn. Then come to this place here, team. Copy your link here to invite your friends and family. So make sure you watch A. So when you watch us, you are going to be earning. So then anybody invite, you come to level 3 commission to claim them. And then you can also climb their levels. You see this place here, direct friends bonus. Anybody invite you, come to this place to claim them. You claim all the whole bonus from the people you have invited. So the people you invite will be accumulating bonus for you too. As they are earning, you'll be earning some percentage from whatever they are earning. So that is one thing. That is how you earn from this platform. They also have their direct extra bonus. So that is when you reach some certain people, you will receive, when you invite three friends, you receive 5,000 RP. You also invite five friends, you receive 10,000. Sorry, three friends, you receive 5,000. So you invite 10 friends, you receive 25,000. You invite 20 friends, you receive 75,000. You invite 50 friends, you receive, that's and so on. So when you complete it, you can receive millions of RP. Then you see this place here on your dashboard. Let me show you guys. Let me show you. This place here on the dashboard, you can see your own will be showing pre-diamond. You might click on it. So there is some levels we reach, you also claim millions of RP. This RP accumulating will be converted to this bit token for you. Now, their snapshot was taken few days ago, and our balance was what deducted and converted to bit token. So when you click on wallet, so for those of you who your balance suddenly disappear, click on wallet, come down to this place. You will see your rate. You can see most recent points converted to bit token. So you can see it here. This is the number of BTC token I received. I received 16,955 bit token. So this is it. So the thing I was having was converted. The 70 million RP I was having was converted to bit token. So you can see it here now, guys. So you can see the price here. And they also said they're going to list at 0.5 per one. So if they list at 0.5 per one, which means this money, this token I receive here should be equivalent to $8,000. Do you understand? That's if they eventually list at this price. But are we going to hold on? No, that's not the reason why I'm making this video. I'm making this video for those of you who will be joining us today, so that you will know how it works, how it functions. Now, the main reason why I'm doing this video is for KYC and P2P purpose. I want to explain that in this video. Please make sure you are watching this video and pay attention to me. It is very important. Okay. So now, for those of you who have been earning on this platform and then you know your balance has disappeared, and you started accumulating new RP point, what you need to do first, click on profile. So when you click on profile, you can see that I've updated my own here. Click on edit profile. Come down, click on choose file. Click on choose file to select the photo you are going to select. That's the picture of you. Please take note, it's not picture of animal or picture of anything. It is the picture of yourself. Because of what? For KYC purpose. So you can see that I uploaded my own. So once you upload it, you update your details here, everything, you update your details, everything, then you click on update profile. Please take note, this is when you choose profile. Now you will now see they will warn you, you have only one chance to do this. Please take note. So when you are uploading this thing, you need to be very, very careful, extra careful. So make sure the picture you're uploading, it should not be up to 1 gig. It should be the maximum file you can upload is 5 KB. You can download any you can download MB reducer from Play Store and then use it to reduce the file of your the size of your picture, so that you can fit this particular file size they show you here. So that's it. So you can see my own. I've updated my own, as you can see. So once your own is updated like this, then the next thing now, what do? You are going to wait for the KYC. Then when you click on wallet again, click on wallet. So when you click on wallet again, you can see this option here, P2p. Click on P2p. You can now see that the premium KYC is coming. What is the meaning of KYC? KYC simply means know your customer. Now, when this KYC starts, this simply means you are going to submit the proof of identity that you are actually a human being, that you are not a robot. That's the reason why you are asked to upload your picture. Please upload your picture. Don't upload picture of animal or picture of nature things. Upload your real picture, so that when they verify, they know that yes, you are the real human being. They are verifying. Okay. So once the KYC is completed, then you can now trade on the P2P market. Now, this the P2P market simply means you can now sell this your bit token before they even list on exchanges. You can now sell this. Let me show you. You can now sell this bit token. This bit token you receive, the BTT you receive, you can now sell it in that P2P market, or you can still hold it and wait for the listing date on exchanges. So that is what that means. Then you can now exchange it with P2P market for USDT. If you don't want to hold it, for those that want to swap their own, because a lot of people will be there to buy the B token, and a lot of people will be there to sell the B token once the P2P market is on. So that is how this thing is. For those of you who don't really understand it, when the P2P market is on, it means you can sell your BTC, your BTT token instantly. So, and again, I think maybe another snapshot might take place since the mining phase has not ended, because the mining is still on. So you can still mine, accumulate as many RP points as possible. When the second snapshot will take place, it means they are going to take your balance here and then convert it to BTT, just like the way they did on my previous balance. So that is how this thing is, guys. I believe you all understand this. So if you still have interest in joining this project, you can join our WhatsApp group. The link is there in our in the comment section. You can use the WhatsApp group to join our WhatsApp group. Then the link will be given to you. You use it to start mining and then start earning the point. When they list, you make money for yourself for free. It is totally free, guys. Remember, I said it is an airdrop. Okay, so that's it. Then if you have another question, feel free to comment below. If you're new to this channel, for you not to miss out any of my latest updates, all you need to do is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified every day with your smartphone on money making updates. Thank you. I remain Sparky, aka Legit Boss.